Hi there! With the Flipkart Big Billion Days around the corner, I'm sure many of you are looking to buy that big smart TV. Well then, this is the one to check out. Here is the newly launched Iffalcon 55U62 Google Smart TV. This is a 4K 55-inch variant priced at just, hold your breath, 27,990. That itself is unbelievable. It comes with HDR10 support, there's Dolby audio support, then there's also mirroring support, there's two-way Bluetooth support and even free live TV. Amazing. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So the big brown box returns, and this one really grabs your attention. 4K HDR written in super bold on the box. On the top you can see the Iffalcon badging along with Google TV, some key features mentioned on the right, 4K HDR10, Dolby Audio, Chromecast, edgeless design and some popular supported apps. On the side are the contents of the box, the MRP of 73,990 and the manufacturing details. By the way, this TV is made in India. Alright, let's open it up. So inside the box is the TV itself, then you have some paperwork that includes the warranty customer copy, then the operational manual, a power cord, an AV adapter ideal for set-top boxes that lack an HDMI port, then two plastic stands, matte finish which is really good so it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges, there's rubber at the base so it should get a good grip on the table, screws to fix those stands, two AAA batteries for the remote, and finally the remote. Now this is a combination of Bluetooth and infrared. It's a really nice slim remote, very handy to hold. Right on the top is the power button, mute button, Google Assistant button on the remote, D-pad to navigate, back button, home button, volume up and down button, then you have shortcut keys for Netflix, Prime Videos, Guard, Media, YouTube and TCL channel. Really nice and compact remote. So we have fixed the stands and table mounted the TV. It comes with 4-star energy rating which is commendable. By the way, it also comes with a plastic screen protector to prevent any scratches or damage during transportation. Make sure it is removed. Now the first thing that I notice are the bezels. It's almost bezel-less as we call them, and the frame is made of metal, giving the TV a very clean and premium look. Even from the sides, they're so slim. The lower bezel too is quite thin and has the Iffalcon badging in the center. Special mention about the stands. They might look simple, but the design and the matte finish makes it look very stylish. The distance between the two stands is 42 inches. Will be helpful if you're planning to place the TV on the table. Moving towards the back, it's a metal body, extremely well built and very clean. All the ports are on one side, which are also easy to access even if you wall mount the TV. On the right is the power input port. On the left, starting from the top, is the USB-A port, Ethernet, 3 HDMI ports, antenna, AV input, headphone jack and optical. Now some might say at least 2 USB ports should have been there. But trust me, I have never plugged in 2 USB drives at the same time. So I don't think that's a deal breaker. Then initially the AV input and the headphone jack ports are too close to plug them at the same time. Well, we did that too and both fit perfectly. Then all HDMI ports on this TV are HDMI 2.1 and the HDMI 3 port supports ER. So you can connect it to soundbars or home theater system for digital audio output. Let's have a quick look at the specifications. So it comes with a 4K display with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. This is a VA panel with 60Hz refresh rate, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB internal storage, HDR10 support, there's Bluetooth and dual band Wi-Fi support, 24 watt sound output with Dolby audio support, and it's running the latest Google TV OS. Alright, let's come to the most important part of this TV, the display. So here's a 4K HDR video and I can tell you Iffalcon has done an excellent job when it comes to picture quality. Exceptional HDR performance with a peak brightness of 270 nits. The HDR content provides striking brightness, excellent shadow definition and vibrant colors, making it ideal for a cinema-like experience. The blacks too are pretty deep while at the same time keeping the subject bright and crisp. Really good contrast. Check out a dark movie scene like this. Even though dark, it maintains complete clarity. It's a delight to watch movies like this on this TV. When it comes to the viewing angles, though a VA panel, there's absolutely no shift of color and tones. You can enjoy crisp visuals from virtually any position in the room. The panel supports 60Hz refresh rate and provides a pretty smooth viewing experience, especially while watching sports content and fast moving scenes in movies. Then it comes with the dynamic color enhancement algorithm. This feature enhances the colors that may appear lackluster and dull, transforming them to give you a super vibrant and punchy experience. Then we connected our set-top box as well. Both SD and SD channels look absolutely brilliant. They're sharp and very clear. If you plan to use your set-top box with this TV, it will provide a very satisfying viewing experience. What truly surprises me is the experience we're getting at this price. Also, must add, HDR content is a delight to watch. We tested some HDR content on Netflix. Firstly, I have to say that the app is extremely well optimized. Let's play something. There you go. It's bright, it's clear, and is a treat to your eyes. By the way, you can find tons of HDR content on apps like Netflix, on Prime Videos, on Hotstar, and of course YouTube too. Let's check out the Google TV experience. Full screen carousel looks even more stunning on a 55-inch screen. Further below, you can see that apps row. All popular apps come pre-installed. Further below, recommended content from multiple apps. My god, the interface is buttery smooth and extremely well optimized. We usually don't see this kind of experience on budget TVs, but Iffalcon has done a fabulous job here. Check that out. It's just flowing. Then we go into the settings, about, and it's running the latest Google TV 11 OS. Coming to the storage, 9.2 GB of total usable space, out of which 7.6 GB is free, which is decent enough to install apps and games. You can download over 12,000 apps and games from the app section. Everything that you need is here. OTT apps, tools, there's a huge collection. We also downloaded Asphalt 8, but remember, some of these games might need a gamepad to work. Then we paired one of our Bluetooth gamepads. When it comes to the gaming, I'd say it's decent. A few drop frames and lag are noticeable, but still very much playable. Then we also played Crossy Road, and this one worked just fine. Then we also get the TCL channel app. On the home page, you can see trending content, more tabs like New, Live TV, and here we get free-to-air live channels. They're subdivided into categories. There's movies and TV, there's news, there's sports, and so much more. The quality of those live channels too is really good. You can see some Indian channels and lots of international channels too. There is so much free content here to explore. Go crazy. Then there's a T-Solo app where you basically connect your phone to the TV via Bluetooth and play the music using your TV speakers. So the TV speakers double as a Bluetooth speaker. You can also see the details of the song playing on the screen. Further, you also have an option to turn off the display to help you save power. And press the button again, the display will wake up. This is such an handy feature. For fans of mirroring, the Iffalcon U62 comes with the Magic Connect app, which helps you mirror your Android phone to the TV. Best part, it works over direct Wi-Fi, so absolutely no drop frames or lag. Check that out. In fact, we even mirrored our YouTube video and it played perfectly. So this is going to be a really handy app to share your photos and videos with your family on the big screen. Then it also comes with Bluetooth support, so you can pair your favorite earphones and headphones and enjoy audio wirelessly without disturbing anyone in the room. Then you also get Google Voice Assistant on the remote. Just press the button and ask it for the weather, general trivia questions like the height of the Eiffel Tower, or simply launch your favorite app. Very handy. Alright, coming to the sound. So the Iffalcon U62 comes with 24 watt sound output with Dolby audio support. Time for a quick demo. You know, I was really surprised to see how even 24 watt speakers can sound so good when they are tuned well. It's bright, it's clear, it's also got a decent amount of bass that makes the overall experience richer. The vocals are audible and the instruments sound very soothing. It's solid in the audio department. Alright, final thoughts. So for 27,990, the 55-inch Iffalcon 55U62 Google TV is a killer deal. In fact, it offers features like two-way Bluetooth and mirroring that many TVs even at higher prices don't offer. This TV is already on sale and you can grab it right away. I'll share the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. By the way, you can also look for great deals on TCL and Iffalcon products during the Big Billion Day sale on Flipkart. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.